This will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERP. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Done this chart numerous times before, and in fact these lines you see here were from one of the other times we did it, and I wanted to leave these on here just because they now are kind of back in play in terms of their importance regarding the chart. A couple of them not so much, but this one in particular right here, this was a key level of support. You can see here acted as support numerous times, and then when the price broke above it, you can see on this pullback here, pulled right back to that area. So a great example of technical analysis of how it can do a great job forecasting supports. But anyways, this level is right around, we'll call it the 0.019, 0.02, whatever you prefer. But what I want to do is just extend this level out, and I will scrunch the chart back in, but I wanted you to just be able to see where this level is coming from. So there's that 0.019, 0.02 level. This resistance still pertains, but that would just confuse things. So for the time being, the main questions I've been getting are where are the levels of support now that this 50-day simple moving average has broken as support. You can see that had the doji there, and then yesterday the price finally did fall below it and then closed below it, and then today was just a continuation of that. So in terms of support levels and where they lie, where potential bounce spots are, the first potential bounce spot is going to be right here at that 2 cents, the 0.019 area, given because that's where that support level is coming from. So first potential level of bounce is right down here at 0.02, 0.019. If that level can hold, then the next level of support is down here at these lows, and we'll just call that right at a penny. So 0.01, 1 penny would be the next level of support, and that's obviously a very key level of support, because if that wouldn't hold, then the chart is entering down into new lows that it hasn't seen. Obviously quite a bit of a ways to go if it would go down there. I'm not saying it will, but that is the next level of support after 0.02. Kind of the catch-22 when you have monstrous moves like this. It does create bigger gaps within the support levels, but it hasn't even tested 0.02, and maybe it won't. Maybe tomorrow it'll just open up and then be back upwards from there. So I'm not saying it even has to test this, but it could very well just bounce right from where it is. But in terms of technically speaking and looking at the chart, these are the next two areas of support. In terms of resistance, pretty straightforward, because this purple line here, the 50-day simple moving average, was such a key level of support. It is now back to being a resistance because the price closed below it, and that's right up there at 0.031. So that'll be the key level of resistance on any sort of bounce that you'll want to see the price get above. The sooner the better. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. As you'll see, when you sign up, you'll get a free ebook. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as you're in a strategy and make an investment into your education as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching, and been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was CERP. Thanks for listening.